Okay, so it's April 30th, 2017, and I think we're just gonna play some basketball. Okay, it is May 7th, and I was out at the guest outlet, you know, going outlet shopping, and I didn't pick anything up. There's some stuff there, but like, you know, I like online shopping better. There's so many more options. But look at this. Look how fucked my weather is right now. So we got rain all day, all night, and look at Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Like, what the fuck, bro? That is ridiculous. Okay, so here, Jake, come, Jake, what are you doing? Oh, he's getting a drink. So anyways, we have this GoPro harness for people on my dog. We got this, we're gonna see how it works out. We're gonna go around, trick some balls, and try to get some cool footage. So I hope this works out. I heard someone yelling, and let's go. So much, it's unbelievable, but I love him. Alright, so we use the water bottle. He has balls, but he loves water bottles for some reason. He doesn't eat them, obviously, but he just likes them because like crunchy and stuff. So what? Oh, you want your treat? Sit. Come on, give me a paw. Give me the other paw. No, no, Jake, other one. Yeah, good boy. Lie down. Hey, lie. Lie down. Lie down. Lie down. Come on, lie down. Roll over. Roll over. He can go all the way, but it's not enough for him. Good boy. So, I think I'm going to end off this video. I'm going to edit all the footage, see how much I have. If it's not enough, then it won't be here. But if there is enough footage, this is the end. So, I hope you guys did enjoy. If you didn't, be sure to leave a like, comment below, subscribe if you are new. Till then, guys, peace out.